What's up, y'all? It's Randy, aka Naturally Fearless, and welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, I have a new hairstyle. This is actually my first time ever. You guys probably hear Adriana. This is my first time ever doing passion twists in my own hair. I wanted to do a protective style because Adriana is starting virtual school this week, so I didn't want to have to worry about my hair in the midst of, really getting our foot wet in this whole virtual school and therapy situation. So I wanted a protective style that was low tension, but that will also, keep my hair protected. Duh. I don't like to have a lot of tension on my scalp. Even when I wear my hair, in ponytails and things like that, I take them out at night. Like, I just can't with the tension, you guys. So we're just gonna hop right into the styling, and then I'm gonna come back and talk to you guys. All right, you guys, so first I started off by sectioning off and twisting up my own hair. I twisted up my hair with the Melanin hair care twist elongating style cream and also some shine and jam on the roots just to slick it down. I'll show you the products towards the end of the video so you guys can see exactly. I braided the roots so the roots can be a bit tighter, and then I just twisted the rest of my hair down the bottom. And you can also braid your roots as tight as you prefer. My parts aren't extremely straight, but it actually it worked out. So this is the hair that I got from Amazon. At first, when I took it out of the pack, I thought that it was tangled and matted, but actually it has a hair net over it to kind of protect the hair. So I thought that that was great. This hair is very soft and shiny, as you guys can see. The bundles were smaller than what I'm used to seeing, but it worked out fine because they send you 6 bundles in the pack, and I actually only used about 4.5 to complete my whole head. So first I'm starting off by just fluffing the hair. We'll kind of get it prepped for the style. And then I'm going to take my crochet needle. They actually sent a crochet needle with the hair, so that was great, even though I already had some. But if you don't, they send it with the hair. So I'm just going to slide the crochet needle through the base of my hair where the braid is, and then I'm going to attach the hair to the crochet needle, close that little door thing situation, and just slide the hair right through the base of my hair. It was so easy to slide. It didn't tangle or anything like that. And then I'm just going to take the hair and also my own twisted hair and just pull it through and kind of create a knot at the base of my hair. And if you've done crochet styles before, it is pretty much the exact same concept. And this is my husband. He was coming in to check on me because he actually helped me crochet some of the ones in the back that I couldn't see. But as you can see, it's not super tight at the root at all, but it's secure. My hair still has, free range of motion where it's not too much tension on my scalp, which I loved about that. So I'm just going to take my twisted up hair and mix it in with the weave and just twist down as usually, just a two strand twist all the way down. But I twisted this hair tight because as soon as you let it go, it's gonna basically puff up, so you want to twist it tight. And then I'm just adding some shine and jam to the hair, as I'm twisting, just to make sure that my hair is secure and blending in with the passion twist hair. So like I said, I twisted it tight because as soon as I let that twist go, it basically just shrinks up like our normal hair does, as you can see from the other passion twist that I have already completed. And then once I got to the end of the hair, any little straggly pieces that were left, I just went ahead and cut those off, and then just twisted the hair around my finger like I would normally do my hair, just to make sure that it was closed. I added a little bit of product and just twisted it around to make like a little tornado. So I'm going to show you guys one more time. I pulled the crochet needle through the base of my hair, take the weave passion twist hair and clip it onto the crochet needle, close the door on the crochet needle and just slide it right through the base of my hair, and then just, you know, take the loop, add my hair and the passion twist hair together, and then just pull a knot at the base of my hair. And like I said, you guys, by me twisting up my own hair prior to this and then just looping the passion twist onto my hair at the base, it made this style so tension free that it was just amazing. Like, I still have the grip at the root, but not extremely tight. You know, when your hair is just too tight, it's uncomfortable. I do not feel that at all with this method that I used. And these are my final results, you guys. I'm really loving the way that this looks. It's so lightweight and comfortable. And there goes Mila hiding behind the door for whatever reason. I told you guys she's always where I am. But I started to part bigger up around my crown area. I didn't notice until afterwards, but that's usually where my ponytail is going to be, so it doesn't really matter much. The tighter that you braid your roots is going to, you know, make it tighter up at the base. So I braided it to my comfort level, so, you know, that's really up to you. But other than that, I think I did pretty well for this being my first time ever even attempting this style. Now that you guys have seen how I achieved this look, I just wanted to tell you guys why I chose that method. I chose that method first because I already told you guys I don't like a lot of tension on my scalp, and I felt like this would be the perfect method for me. And also, since this was my first time ever doing this style, I figured it would be the easiest. Also, I did have some issues in the beginning, you know, trying to figure out the whole, you know, style situation, but once I got the groove of it, then it was pretty easy after that. I got the hair off of Amazon, as I told you guys, and it's really soft. It blends perfectly with my hair, so I didn't have to worry about trying to camouflage my hair, the twisted up hair, into the passion twist hair that much. Like, it just blended perfectly. And also you can't really see, but in some of them you can see my twist, you know, kind of peeking out of the passion twist hair. But I think it just kind of gives the hair, you know, some character. I really like passion twists because they don't have to be, you know, perfect, which was great for me since they have that, you know, whole bohemian, you know, like carefree type of vibe. Then they just work. But now I'm going to show you guys the products that I use. So I twisted up my hair, my real hair, with the Melanin Hair Care Twist Elongating Style Cream. You guys have seen this on my channel multiple times. I wanted my hair to be very moisturized going into this style, and that cream, it really does the best for my hair with protective styles and moisture, so that's why I chose that. And I also used the Shine and Jam. Of course, I used that, you know, on the roots of my hair to kind of slick it down. And I also oiled my scalp along the way as I was parting. I oiled it with my DIY oil blend, which I actually keep in a bottle like this with the applicator, so it's easier for it to, you know, for me to apply it to my scalp. I don't too much worry about my parts being extra crisp and straight. As long as I'm somewhere within the vicinity of that part being straight, then I'm good with it. I don't like to spend too much time, you know, parting my hair. And for the most part, I'm probably gonna have these twists up anyway so they can be out of my face, so you won't see my parts regardless. So that just works for me. It took me about 7 hours total for the complete style. So, but I love it, you guys. There's no tension on my scalp. As soon as I was done, I can pull it into a ponytail. Like, that's just how low tension this method is, which is perfect. So, that's pretty much it, you guys. If you guys like this video, make sure you go ahead and give me a thumbs up. It really helps me out. Make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of the fam bam. We have fun over here. Follow me over on my Instagram page at naturally_fearless. And I'll see you guys in my next one.